This video will show how to set up the DP2 Surface Cleaning machine. Let's first look at the reel that houses the electrical cords. Be sure the electrical outlets are inserted in the reel all the way so that the reel can spin freely. Locate the quick disconnect that will attach to a water source. First, attach it to a shower head, faucet, or spigot. Then connect it to your quick disconnect. Unravel the yellow sheath on the 100-foot reel to your desired length. Lock the reel in place once you have your length. Pull your electrical outlets from the reel and connect them to the male electrical. When completed, put the electrical outlet back into its hole socket. Do the same with the additional outlet. Press the clear button on your GFCI safety. Now your machine is live. To turn off, press the black button. To prepare your pre-spray in a 1-gallon container, add 3 scoops of powder. In this situation, we'll be using Floormeister. Put your lid on and shake vigorously. Use as hot a water as you can. Remove the top from your pre-spray container and place the container underneath the reel. From your chemical injector, you will take the hose and insert it into the pre-spray container. Make sure that the filter on the hose is touching the bottom of the container. If this is the first time you're using the machine, you will need to prime the pre-spray chemical. In other cases, the pre-spray is ready to go. Pull the wand out up to 100 feet to pre-spray. Your discharge tank must have a filter bag. The filter bag is a 600 micron 18-inch bag. Also accompanying it is a very strong rubber band to keep the bag in place. Do not tie a knot in the bag. Simply make a bow and then attach your rubber band. Make sure both rubber band and string are completely around the filter bag. Otherwise, debris may get out. Place the lid with the filter bag back into your discharge tank. To close the lid, you'll make a half turn with each of the levers. To hook up your high pressure line to your high pressure pump, you will also use a quick disconnect. Make sure the pressure in the line is out by pressing down on the male quick disconnect. Insert and push. Your vacuum line will be attached to your lid on your discharge tank. Simply wiggle and push. We have a zipper wand for cleaning carpets. It has 6 jets underneath and also has a quick disconnect for your other side of a high pressure line. Simply connect the two and also connect your vacuum hose. the lower part of the zipper wand, you have a clear sight tube to determine how much water flow is being extracted. Underneath, there are two white glides for vacuum on the front and the back. Forward and reverse motion are used. The first button on the control panel is your high pressure pump. Second is your discharge, and then there are two vac motors. When cleaning is complete, be sure to unattach your electrical hubs first. Use the reel handle to wind up the yellow sheath from left to right, keeping it very snug. The zipper wand fits conveniently into a cradle directly on the DP2 machine. Be sure to fold the handle down so as not to hit any doorways when moving the machine. This has been an overview of how to set up a DP2 machine with a 15-inch zipper wand. Any further questions, please contact info@dwell.pro.